What's up, traders? Today we're looking at FSLY on the TT black box. This one is a bullish swing trade. Essentially, we want to take a look at market conditions overall, but this one is going to be a bullish swing trade. Alerted on June 16th at the close. Remember, I'm Pacific Standard Time, so 1300 is market close for me. Now, let's take a look at the chart. So looking at the chart on TradingView, essentially I am going to be entering at 1055, this green line. My first target, 1115. Next target, 1342. My exit or my stop loss is going to be 1018 down here. If this one continues into a downtrend and breaks that, my target price for that is going to be 979. I don't have any option contracts or anything picked out for that, but just be aware that that is a target price if you do want to play that one. I imagine that there are some option contracts that you could take, or if you can short shares, go for it. You know, I don't necessarily short shares, but if you feel comfortable, I'd say, you know, might be worth looking at. Now, essentially this one is in a bearish downtrend as well. If we look at our candles here and our red entry arrow, or exit arrow actually. But this one looks to be flattening out and bottoming out here. We're looking at our RSI that took kind of a roll, and then it's kind of bottoming out down here in this like 25-30 area. Now MACD, we want to see this one kind of swing back into not necessarily the positive direction, but just not this solid red. We more want to see this light color here. We want to see that one kind of swing back in the opposite direction. Now, let's take a look at our 30-minute chart and see what is going on. So, at the close, we can see it's just right above our exit price. Let's take a look at the swing trade breakout indicator. So, if we take a look at that one, on the 30-minute chart, this one doesn't work necessarily as well, but we want to see it break above this yellow line. And as you can see, that's clearly into our target price range. But let's take a look at it on the day chart. Still above, but I think once it breaks over that, it'll be a good indicator that it will continue swinging up into our second price target. Anyway, let's take a look at our option contracts on Webull. I've got a couple picked out. So if this one really moves, I'm looking at the 7-day, the weekly option contract, and I'm specifically looking at $11 just due to the volume. Prices are fairly cheap still, but if we look at the 28-day expiration, July 15th, we come down here, there's still some decent volume here at 12.5. Remember, our price target is the high end, about $13. So this one may be difficult to get. That 7-day one may be a little better, and I might actually take that one instead. Anyway, good luck. Trade well.